Okay. Good afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon, ma'am.
How are you all?
Good afternoon.
Yes, all of you, those who have written message, for all my dear students, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Very good afternoon. So where we had stopped today? I think adjectives.
We were an adjective.
Yes. I'll give some more examples today.
Adjective, ma'am.
Yes, I'll give some more examples because I was very happy with your response. Nice. You all were responding. I have written something to you. So many things I have written so that I can ask you. Shall I begin? First one. Yes. Oh, sure. Thank you.
Clever.
Ma'am, he gave me.
He gave. Thank you. Now tell me the adjectives. First one, oh, so many of you have given me. Oh, Dayan, Timpana, Vidya Guru, Shah, Minu, yes, Timpana, Chinmay, yes, all of you are correct. Should we copy this? Yes, yes, Timpana, you should copy. Yes, Aradhya, clever, yes, yes. The first one is very simple. Sita is Ramo. So we are saying
Clever.
Sita, she is a clever girl. What kind of girl? We are speaking about the quality of the girl. What kind of girl? Clever girl.
Clever girl.
Clever.
Yes. So we are speaking about Sita. Now, very simple it is. Next one. I don't like that boy.
No adjective.
Like.
Like. No adjective.
No adjective. Specified. That's why I brought for you this. I don't like that boy. Yes. Very simple examples I'm giving you. I'm not even giving very complicated ones. What is the adjective there? Yes, dear students.
Don't like.
Ma'am, like.
Huh?
Don't like.
Don't like.
Don't like.
Think again.
Ma'am, like.
Think again. I don't like. This is a verb, Allah. That is the adjective. How?
Specifying to that particular boy.
How? I'm saying that is the adjective. How?
Because the sentence is specifying to the particular boy, so that is an adjective.
Which boy? That's why it is that boy. Yes or no?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. He gave me 5 mangoes.
5.
Ma'am, give me.
No. Gave is
5.
whoever told 5 is awesome. Why? Because this is called as how many? It is a quantity. These are called as quantity adjectives. Very good. There is little time for preparation.
Little time.
Little.
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 Ma'am, little.
Only little. Only little. Yes. What is this? How much?
How much time?
Yes. See, today I'm giving you very different questions. I'm giving you. I want you to understand this. So, what is an What is an adjective? Anyone?
Ma'am,
An
a word
adjective
which
qualifies, describes, or
qualifies a noun.
modifies a noun.
Okay. One more thing I'll tell you, which is used with a noun. Very, very important. Which is used with a noun to add some meaning to the noun. So, it is called. What is adjective called? Adjective is called added to. Adjective is called added to noun. Something which adds to the noun, something which gives meaning to the noun is called as an adjective. It adds to it. Okay. So I'll give some more examples. Let me see how good you are. Now first, are you aware of kind of adjectives? You have written this, all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You have written. Are you
Yes,
sure?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, written.
Okay. Those are not written. I'll just wait for some time. Done?
Done,
What
ma'am.
are kinds of adjectives?
Completed, ma'am.
Kinds of adjectives? Anyone has any idea about kinds of adjectives?
3 types of adjective.
How many?
3.
Which one? Which one?
Superlative, degree.
That is degree of comparison. Adjective of, that is there. Degree of adjective also is there. But here I'm telling kinds. Which one? Think once. I gave some examples, that's why there.
Quantitative adjective.
Yes, adjective
Of quantity.
quality first. Very, very important is this one. What is adjective of quality? What does it show? It shows
Which describes the quality of
Quality,
object.
quality of noun.
it shows kind or quality of noun. What does it show? What does it show?
Kind of.
Kind or quality of
Quality of noun. Very, very important. It shows kind or quality of noun. What kind of or what quality of noun it is. It may be a person or a thing. Noun can be person, place, or animal thing. Very simple example I'll give. One simple example. Kolkata is a large city.
large.
Large.
Very good. Second one. He is an honest man.
Honest.
Honest.
Honest. Honest.
The foolish old crow
Foolish.
tries to sing.
Sing.
I'm foolish and old. What?
Fish.
Is a grammar
Foolish.
of the English language. So now tell me, which are the adjectives?
First one large, second one honest.
Kolkata. Why? Because it shows what it shows. What kind of city it has.
Large.
Yes. Large is an adjective here. He is an honest man. What kind of man?
Honest.
Honest man. Yes. The foolish old crow tries to sing.
Foolish.
Foolish and old.
Foolish old, both are correct.
Foolish. Old.
Yes, foolish and old, both are adjective. This is a grammar of English language.
Grammar.
Understand?
Yes.
Grammar.
Ma'am.
Put a question. Put a
Yes.
question here.
Ma'am, grammar.
Put a question.
This
This man, this.
English. Ma'am, English. This.
Grammar of what kind?
English language.
Grammar of what kind?
This.
English language.
This kind.
So what is, yes Chinmay, you are correct.
English.
What is adjective? Put a question.
English language.
Yes, English. So your adjective is English.
English.
Yes. First one is adjectives of quality. It shows kind or quality of noun. Write down these examples.
Written,
Ma'am.
Yes.
Completed, ma'am.
Finish. Next one, adjective of proper noun. Have you ever heard? Adjectives of proper noun. Please understand the question. Yes, dear students. Again, quality or kind. Yes. First one.
First one, French.
What is this?
Proper noun.
So you have to find out what?
Proper noun.
You have to find out proper noun. Very good, Junaid.
French.
Yes, Junaid. Very nice.
French.
Yes, I like French fries.
French.
We are going to go for proper noun. See here, actually, if you go to see like this, you feel that it does not have an adjective only. Yes or no? Yes, Junaid. Second one also. The dash, the Denmark conflicts are available.
Denmark.
Denmark.
Yes. Turkish dresses are the best.
Turkish.
Turkish.
Best also.
Yes, correct. Indian tea is preferred. Indian.
Indian.
Yes, Indian. Simple?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. Right? Is it simple?
Yes.
Yes.
Finish writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one is quantity. So what it shows? How much of a thing. It is a measurement of noun. Very simple is measurement of noun. A. I ate some rice. B.
Ma'am, first one rice.
He showed much patience. Right? I'll clarify all the doubts later. He has little
Some much.
little intelligence. You have no sense. Yes, yes, students. So what is it showing?
Some. How much
No,
of a
what is it
thing?
showing? Okay, okay, very good, all of you. So many of you have given the right answer, but I'll discuss once. Okay, I'll discuss once. Adjective of quantity is how much is a thing. Okay, how much is a noun. So what are we going to do is, I ate some rice. How much rice? Some rice. Very good. Few of you have given the
Some
right
rice.
answers. Yes, here it shows quantity. What does it show? Quantity. Quantity, adjective.
Quantity.
Sorry, quantity of the noun. I ate some rice. He shows much
Much.
patience. That is the quantity. How much he shows? Much patience. Then he has little intelligence. Yes, we
Little.
very good. You have no sense.
No.
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 Yes, you have no sense. Very good. I think many students had given all the answers correct before this. Take great care of your health.
Great.
Great.
Super. Great care.
Great.
See, it's so easy now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yesterday also
Yes,
I made you
ma'am.
write this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yesterday also I made you write
Yes, ma'am.
that's why I sat down. I took lots of time for you to bring it in a very simple way. Is it easy today? You're able to understand your students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next I'll go for adjective of number. You finished writing this?
Yes, ma'am. Completed.
Yes, ma'am. Completed.
Adjective of number.
Ma'am.
Yes, dear. It shows how many people, not doing anything. It is a noun only. Finished?
Yes,
You finished writing this?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, A.
Why? Why? Cat. You. Many. Some.
I'll write one more here. So what do you have to find out?
Number.
Yes,
Adjectives
right.
with number.
Himna is really very fast. I am very, very happy with your answers. Yes, Fahad, you are also superb. But you have given me only 4 answers. Most, yes, Fahad, now you are correct. Yes, dear, very nice. I am happy. Even Tanisha has given, even Junaid has given. Yes, Aradhya also has given 1 answer, I guess. Yes, very good. Yes, superb. Yes, Infana. Oh, very good. I'm so delighted today. Very nice. I'm so happy that you're so active. So we are going to find out what? We are finding the number. Those who have not answered for them, I'm going to give the answers. The number we have to give, he has 5. This is an adjective.
5.
Yes. Few.
Few.
Have taught you many.
Many.
Yes. Here are some.
Some.
Most boys like.
Most.
Yes. Sunday is the first.
Most.
As easy as it should be. Any doubts?
No doubts, ma'am.
Sure. Very good.
No,
No
ma'am.
doubts, ma'am.
Super. But what are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? They are called as cardinals. First, second, third, fourth week, they are called as ordinals. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is called as cardinal. But if I write first, second, third, fourth, this is called as ordinal. This you should remember.
Ordinal.
Yes, that you should remember in mind. That is called as definite, neutral, adjective. Definite, numeral, adjective. If they ask you find, if they ask you definite, define or give me the definite numeral adjective. It is definite. Please keep this in mind. If it is asked definite, then you have to compulsory write. If it is 5, it is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, but number name, not 1, 2, 3, 4, not the number. 1 to ONE 1, TW 2, THRE 3. That is called as, what is it called? It is called as cardinal.
Cardinal.
Yes. If they ask you for definite numeral adjectives, but first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth.
Cardinal.
Yes. This is called as ordinal. Okay, no doubts? I'm not asking like anything. I'm just giving one example for you.
No doubt.
No doubt, sure?
Yes, ma'am. No doubts.
Okay, you finished writing this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, write the cardinal and the ordinals also very important in the bracket. Next one I'm going to do is so I think till you finish your second PUC, these all should be recorded in your mind. So I'm going in a very, very, very deep way with you so that you don't forget in the second PUC also. Next one I'm going to do is distributive. Please remember it is called as distributive numerical adjective. How are you going to find this? Distributive numerical adjective, how are you going to find? Which refers to each, singular. It refers to each. Please keep this in your mind that I am going to do each one of a number. Okay? It refers to each, singular, one each of a number. Very simple example. Each boy must do his homework. In many times, you just write adjective, they'll give you marks. Okay? Then, India expects. Yes, India expects every man to do his Job.
Every. Either.
What do you have to find out? You have to find out singular. Each.
Ma'am, neither.
Either and either.
Neither.
Each boy must do his homework. So we have to
No.
talk about a boy.
Ma'am, I've written neither.
Either, neither. Neither. Thank you.
R.
Yes.
So what we are speaking about? This is the noun. We are speaking about each boy. This is called as distributive numerical adjective. India expects every man. India is a noun, proper noun. Every is adjective.
Adjective.
Yes. Either pen will do. See here. Pen is the noun, common noun. We are speaking about the pen. This is the adjective.
Objective.
Neither accusation is true. Accusation is you are giving someone, you put a false this thing in them and tell that they are accused. If you go on blaming someone for legally, it is called as accusation. Neither accusation is true here means it is a general concept, like I made it you yesterday. Here means none. None of the accusations is true. Okay? Understood, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Last one, you finished writing. Last one I'll do is demonstrative adjective. You finished writing this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Last one I'll do is demonstrative. Everything article comes into this. You have heard about articles?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, demonstration comes under this. Demonstrative adjectives. What does it mean? It shows. What does it do? Demonstrative adjectives? It points out or it shows. It points out. If I say,
Ma'am,
yes, now tell me.
stronger than,
Hmm?
Stronger than.
stronger than,
What are we doing? We are pointing to
stronger,
Okay, if I remove this Sham and if I write, okay, wait. If I write like this,
This boy.
Dan.
This boy stronger than.
point shows what?
This.
The boy has given. Okay, I'll go for that boy again.
This.
That boy is illustrates.
This first one, this second one, that.
Yes, Chinmay, you are correct. First one, what you have given is correct. Yes, Fahad, you are also correct. Yes. This
Second is
boy
that.
is stronger
Second
than
one, that.
point shows what? That these those yes, just incorrect. So this becomes an adjective demonstrated.
This,
So
that,
yes,
those.
This.
That.
Ma'am, industrious can't it be adjective, ma'am?
no, it's a quality of a businessman.
Stronger is an adjective.
Famous ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ famous ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಬರಬಹುದು profession adjective ಬರಲ್ಲ.
Okay.
Then I hate such. Yes, we know very well.
Stronger is an adjective.
Sorry?
Stronger is an adjective, no.
Stronger is an adjective. Yes, it is an adjective. Who's telling you? It is a comparison. I'm not going to comparison still. I'm giving only demonstrative. You have to find out only demonstrative adjective. I'm not telling you to find out the comparison.
Okay.
I tell degree of comparison or adjective of comparison you should give me. I'm here only demonstration. Points also. Then this one. Last one. Yonder fort once belonged to Shivaji.
Fort.
Fort now.
Belong to.
Belong.
Yonder.
Belongs.
Over there. The meaning of yonder is over there. So write down.
There. Over there, yes, ma'am.
Yonder lady, we say, lady over there. Yonder boy, yonder girl, yonder folk, yonder bike, anything yonder, Y-O-N-D-E-R is called as yonder.
Ma'am, then how is that meaningful, ma'am? Over there, fort once belonged to Shivaji.
Over there, fort. I'm showing to someone. Over there, the fort belongs
It's like that fort over there once belonged to Shivaji.
That over there, both is correct. The original meaning of dictionary is over there. That also is correct. That over there, both are correct. There means that you can show that when you show it in the physical gesture, that you can say. Over there also is a physical gesture. When you show to someone over there, that place, over there, both are correct.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
originally it is used in Shakespeare's language. Yonder is used in Shakespeare's language. Over there he says, he considers the ladies, when it is Romeo and Juliet, he says yonder lady, over there lady, standing with her fellows. In Romeo and Juliet he describes it very much and he uses this word many a times.
Ma'am, in those rascal must be punished. Rascal can't be adjective, ma'am.
I'm only speaking of demonstrative adjective, that's what I'm telling you. Don't get confused, I'm giving you all kind of, so that it's easy for you to understand it, I'm doing demonstrative adjectives. Finished? I'll give some examples. Among so many examples I've given, I'll fill in the blanks. You can add any kind of adjectives which suits there. You have to find out which kind of adjective suits there. Okay, dear students? I'll give some down 10 examples. I want you to fill in the blanks with the right form of verb. Right form of adjective.
Ma'am, lives in Rex Hut.
Correct.
Ma'am,
Lives in
lives in
restaurant.
that or lives in...
In a restaurant. Huh? Oh, thank you. I wanted to write down.
Ma'am, in fourth one, last word is range, ma'am.
You cannot have it ways.
You cannot have it dash ways.
These ways. The last one isn't visible.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
I think I can see here.
No, now also it's not visible.
The dash bird catches the worm. Now,
Visible, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
the dash bird catches the worm.
Physical, ma'am.
It's visible? Okay, if you have done with this, I'll give you 10 examples. You finished first 3?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So that will be your homework. Think before you answer this.
Sentence may fit 2 or more words, ma'am. What to do for that?
Sorry?
The blanks may fit 2 or more words.
Whatever,
Adjectives.
whatever you feel correct to it.
Okay, ma'am.
But it should sound correct. It should suit. It should be meaningful.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. I take a leave now. I'll be seeing you again on Monday. Till then, tata bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye,
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye.
ಅಕ್ಷರ ಒರ್ಸ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ಏನು ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬರಲ್ವಂತೆ ಇವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಂತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಒರ್ಸಿಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಅದೇ ಇದು ಅಕ್ಷರ ಇದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತಿರ್ಗಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅಂತ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ